part I was working on. Cast this out of pewter after making a plastic model. I have cleaned out the center mounting hole here. As you can see, I've gone ahead and drilled and also have countersunk all the screws, chamfered them, and then I just now completed, it's hard to see, but there's some still shots of this, just completed threading the hole with a 8mm times 0.1, times 1 thread for mounting. Now, where is this going? Well, the whole piece is going to be assembled onto here. As you can see, I've already marked it out. And then it will be mounting onto this shaft, which is the beginning of a small spin caster, as we can tell. This is about a 10-inch disc.